Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a simple search in one of our main interfaces, which is EBSCO Discovery Service. I'm going to the Library Catalogue homepage and I'm going to choose the new interface for EBSCO Discovery Service. I'm going to perform a search for something I want to specifically find. There are two types of searches you can do. One is where you're browsing and you don't really know what you're looking for, but you're seeing what's out there under a subject. The other is when you know a particular source and you want to find it. So we're going to look for the problem of pain by Clive Staples Lewis. And the result is we get it right at the top of the list. 33,469 hits. Okay, that worked. But would it work if we did less? Well, yes, I think so. So we're going to knock out the, because every record has the in it somewhere, and of really doesn't help the search. By isn't even part of the title or the surname. And the first names, well, sometimes you get it written C.S. Lewis. So if it's only got C.S. Lewis in the record and not all the records are created equal, then you wouldn't find it at all. So I'm going to press 3-word search. Will we get the same result? Yes, indeed. 1.1 million, but it's still top. Instead of 33,000, 1.1 million, but we still get it top of the hits. And you can see this one is in the library. So that is the simplest way of doing a search. If you want to do a subject search, similar rules apply. The more specific you want to be, the more words you add. So if you've got something very unique as something you're searching for, then you put in the most unique word first. So if I'm putting in theodicy, then that is a specific word relating to God and evil. That will get me a number of hits. If you look at the top, you've got a research starter. If you click on read more, it will give you a bibliography and a summary. So the bibliography at the end, lots of sources you can read in addition to that. So that's a good way to start off. Now that's putting one word. Now if we were more specific, you can see we've got 104,881 hits. If we wanted to put Christian God, perhaps, because theodicy is a general term to apply to any religion, it goes down to 67,000 hits, and now we're getting something more specific. And you can browse those also, a mixture of books, ebooks, articles, and theses and other things. So those are the two main ways you can search using any interface really that are the most efficient. So the first one, you go straight to it with the minimum words, author, surname, 2 words from the title, or even 1 word if it's very particular. And the second way is subject search. You put in your main idea, and then you add words to narrow down the concept as you hone in to what you really want to know about.